Hey there, colour explorers. Welcome to a journey through the vibrant and diverse world of colour. Today we're going to take a closer look at the hues and shades that make our world so incredibly beautiful. Have you ever stopped and really looked around? Really taken a moment to soak in the colours that surround us every day? From the green of the grass to the blue of the sky, colours are everywhere, painting our world in a spectrum of beauty. The world is bursting with colour. Just think about a field of flowers in full bloom, a bustling market filled with vibrant goods, or a forest in the peak of autumn. Each scene is a testament to the incredible variety of colours that nature offers us. From the vibrant reds of a sunset to the deep blues of the ocean, colour makes our planet amazing. Imagine standing on a beach, watching the sun dip below the horizon, casting a warm red glow across the sky, or hiking up a mountain and seeing the landscape bathed in the golden light of dusk. These moments are made magical by the colors that fill them. But have you ever wondered how these colors are made and why we see them the way we do? The science behind color is fascinating. It's all about light and how it interacts with the world around us. When light hits an object, some of it is absorbed and some is reflected. The colors we see are the wavelengths of light that are reflected back to our eyes. Let's dive in. Underwater, the world is just as colorful. Coral reefs, for example, are teeming with life and color. The vibrant hues of the corals and the fish that swim among them are a sight to behold. And in the forest, the greens of the trees and the blues of the water create a serene and beautiful environment. We use color every day. It's an integral part of our lives, influencing our choices and our emotions. We use it to choose our clothes. Think about how you decide what to wear each day. The colors you pick can reflect your mood, your personality, or even the season. Bright colors might make you feel happy and energetic, while darker tones might make you feel more relaxed and calm. We use it to pick out ripe fruits and veggies at the store. The color of fruits and vegetables can tell us a lot about their ripeness and flavor. A bright red apple is likely to be sweet and juicy, while a green one might be more tart. The vibrant colors of fresh produce are not just appealing to the eye, but also a sign of their nutritional value. And we use it to create awesome art. Artists use color to express their ideas and emotions. Whether it's a mural on a city wall, a child's drawing, or a piece of street art, color brings these creations to life and makes them stand out. Understanding color is like having a superpower, letting us unlock a whole new level of understanding about the world. Scientists study color to learn more about the natural world, while teachers use it to explain complex concepts in a way that's easy to understand. And at festivals, color is used to celebrate and bring people together. So next time you look around, take a moment to appreciate the colors that make our world so vibrant and beautiful. So, where does color come from? The answer is light. Light is an incredible phenomenon that we often take for granted. It illuminates our world, allowing us to see the beauty around us. But have you ever wondered what light really is and how it creates the vibrant colors we see every day? Light might seem simple, but it's actually made up of many different colors all blended together. When light passes through a prism, it splits into a spectrum of colors, revealing its hidden complexity. This spectrum includes all the colors of the rainbow, from red to violet. Think of it like a delicious smoothie. Just as a smoothie is made by blending different fruits together, light is a blend of different colors. Each color in the light spectrum contributes to the overall appearance of the light we see. You can't see the individual fruits, but they all combine to create something awesome. Similarly, we don't usually see the individual colors in light unless they are separated, like in a rainbow or through a prism. This blend of colors is called the electromagnetic spectrum. The electromagnetic spectrum encompasses all types of electromagnetic radiation, from radio waves to gamma rays. Visible light is just a small part of this vast spectrum. Our eyes can only see a tiny slice of this spectrum, which we call visible light. This tiny slice is what allows us to perceive the world in color. Without it, our world would be a much duller place, and each color in the visible spectrum has a different wavelength. Wavelengths determine the color of the light we see. The longer the wavelength, the closer the color is to red. The shorter the wavelength, the closer the color is to violet. Red has the longest wavelength, which is why it appears at one end of the spectrum. This is also why we often see red hues during sunsets, as the longer wavelengths are scattered less by the atmosphere. And violet has the shortest. Violet light is at the opposite end of the spectrum with the shortest wavelengths. This is why violet hues are often seen in the sky during dawn and twilight, when the light is scattered more. Now let's talk about how we get all these amazing colors in the world around us. We can thank pigments and dyes for that. Pigments are like tiny color messengers hiding in things like rocks, plants, and even animals. When light hits a pigment, the pigment absorbs some colors and reflects others. The color that gets reflected is the color we see. Dyes work similarly, but they're often made from plants or insects. Pretty cool, right? Hold on to your hats, color explorers, because things are about to get digital. Ever wondered how your phone or computer screen makes all those colors? They don't use pigments or dyes. Instead, they use teeny tiny lights called pixels. Each pixel is like a mini disco with red, green, and blue lights. By changing the brightness of these three colors, screens can create every other color you see. It's like magic, but it's actually science. Section 5, mixing it up. Additive and subtractive color. Time to get mixing. There are two main ways to create colors: additive and subtractive. Additive color mixing is like what happens on your screen. When we add more colored lights together, the mixture gets brighter. Subtractive color mixing is the opposite. It's like mixing paint. Each time we add a pigment, we're subtracting some of the light that's reflected, making the color darker. Section 6, eyes on the prize, how we see color. Now we know how colors are made, but how do our eyes actually see them? Get ready for some amazing biology. Our eyes have special cells called cones that are sensitive to different colors of light. When light enters our eye, these cones send signals to our brain. Our brain is like a color coding machine, taking these signals and transforming them into the colors we perceive. Section 7, feeling blue or seeing red, the psychology of color. Here's a cool fact. Colors can actually affect our emotions and behavior. Think about it. Red is often associated with excitement or danger. Blue can make us feel calm or peaceful. This is because our brains have learned to associate certain colors with specific feelings and experiences throughout our lives. Pretty wild, right? Section 8, color across cultures. Colors can have different meanings in different cultures. For example, white is often associated with purity and weddings in many Western cultures, but in some Eastern cultures it represents mourning. Understanding how colors are perceived across cultures is super important in fields like design and marketing. We want to make sure our message is coming across the way we intend. Section 9, color in action, art, technology, and beyond. Color is everywhere, from the bustling streets of our cities to the serene landscapes of nature. Color plays a crucial role in our lives. It influences our emotions, shapes our perceptions, and even affects our decisions. But how exactly does color impact us? And how do we harness its power in various fields? Artists use color to create stunning works of art that evoke emotion and tell stories. Each brushstroke, each hue and each shade is carefully chosen to convey a specific feeling or message. Whether it's the vibrant reds that symbolize passion and energy, or the calming blues that evoke tranquility, artists understand the profound impact of color. They experiment with different techniques and mediums, from traditional oil paints to modern digital tools, to bring their visions to life. Art festivals around the world celebrate this diversity, showcasing the myriad ways in which color can be used to inspire and connect people. Technologists use color to create realistic images on our screens and develop new ways to see the world. In the realm of digital technology, color is not just about aesthetics, it's about functionality and user experience. The vibrant displays on our smartphones, the intuitive interfaces of our software, and the immersive environments of virtual reality all rely on precise color calibration. Technologists work tirelessly to ensure that colors are accurate and consistent, enhancing our interaction with digital devices. They also explore new frontiers such as augmented reality, where color plays a pivotal role in blending the virtual with the real. The science of color is a fascinating journey that takes us from the tiniest particles of light to the vastness of human perception. Scientists study how light interacts with matter, how our eyes perceive different wavelengths, and how our brains interpret these signals. This knowledge has practical applications in various fields, from developing new materials with specific optical properties to improving visual ergonomics in our daily lives. The beauty of a rainbow, the iridescence of a butterfly's wings, and the vibrant hues of a chemical reaction all stem from the intricate dance of light and color. So keep exploring, keep questioning, and never stop being amazed by the colorful world around us. Color is not just a visual experience, it's a universal language that transcends cultural and linguistic barriers. It brings joy, sparks creativity, and fosters connections. Whether you're an artist, a technologist, a scientist, or simply a curious observer, there's always something new to discover in the world of color. So, immerse yourself in its beauty, appreciate its nuances, and let it inspire you to see the world in a